Think your toolbox is complete? Think again. We found 18 incredible new tools on Amazon that make cutting, drilling, sanding, measuring, and repairs faster, easier, and more precise. Stick around until the end. You'll definitely find a tool you never knew you needed. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 18. Portable Winch PCW 4000. Meet the Portable Winch PCW 4000, a compact gas-powered capstan winch with a reliable Honda GX50 engine that delivers an impressive 2,200 pounds of pulling force. Its unlimited rope-length design lets you pull logs, vehicles, or hunting gear over long distances without rewinding. Lightweight, portable, and built for serious outdoor work, it's the ultimate tool for logging, towing, land management, and hunting. When the job gets heavy, the PCW 4000 does the hard work for you. Number 17. DeWalt 20V Max Plastic Tubing Cutter, DCE 180B. Powered by the trusted 20V Max battery platform, this cordless tool delivers smooth, clean cuts through PX, PVC, and other plastic tubing with a pull of a trigger. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to use in tight spaces, while the sharp cutting mechanism helps reduce hand fatigue on repetitive jobs. Perfect for plumbers, HVAC technicians, and DIY professionals who want fast, precise results every time. Number 16. Tough-Built V-Roller Stand, TB S220. The Tough-Built TB S220 V-Roller Stand securely supports long pipes, lumber, and metal stock with its chrome-plated V-roller, keeping materials steady while you cut or shape them. The quick height adjustment lets you match your work surface in seconds, while the wide steel base provides outstanding stability on busy job sites. Durable, portable, and built for pros, it's the perfect support stand for smoother, safer, and more accurate work. Number 15. Big Red Torin T4320 2 Jack Stands. Built from heavy-duty steel, this pair supports up to 3 tons, or 6,000 pounds, making them ideal for most cars and sedans. The multi-position ratchet bar allows quick height adjustment, while the wide, stable base provides dependable support during maintenance and repairs. Durable, easy to use, and workshop-ready, these jack stands are a must-have for safer DIY automotive work. Not recommended for SUVs or trucks. Number 14. Capro 314 Set and Match Ruler System. This 36-inch aluminum ruler features slide and lock leveling vials, an ergonomic carry handle, and a built-in knife guide for straight, accurate cuts. Its rugged yet lightweight design is perfect for carpentry, drywall, flooring, and remodeling projects. Whether you're marking layouts or checking level, this all-in-one ruler helps you work faster, straighter, and more accurately every time. Number 13. 2.5-ton low-profile hydraulic floor jack. This 2.5-ton low-profile hydraulic floor jack is built for quick, stable lifting with a 5,000-pound capacity and a lift range from 3.4 to 14.6 inches, perfect for most cars and sedans. The single-piston hydraulic pump delivers smooth, efficient operation, while the heavy-duty steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. Ideal for tire changes, brake jobs, and routine maintenance. Designed for cars and sedans, not trucks or SUVs. Number 12. Lockjaw Roof Ladder Stabilizer Hook. This award-winning accessory attaches in as little as 5 seconds using its slide lock security system, helping keep your extension ladder firmly in place. It creates a stable standoff from gutters and roofs, reducing top movement and improving balance while you work. Ideal for roofing, gutter cleaning, and exterior maintenance, it's a simple upgrade that adds confidence, stability, and safety to every climb. Number 11. 10.5 feet 2 in 1 pole saw and tree pruner. This 10.5 foot 2 in 1 pole saw combines a sharp pruning saw with a manual branch cutter, making it easy to tackle thick limbs and smaller branches alike. The extendable handle gives you extra reach for trees, palms, shrubs, and garden maintenance, while the lightweight design helps reduce fatigue. It's the perfect tool for cleaner cuts, safer trimming, and keeping your yard looking its best. Number 10. Max Bauer 3-Piece Hammer Set. The Max Bauer 3-piece hammer set includes a 5-pound dead blow hammer, a 16-ounce rubber mallet, and a 35mm double-faced soft mallet for powerful, damage-free striking. Designed with non-marring heads, they're perfect for automotive repairs, woodworking, assembly, and metalworking without leaving unwanted marks. Durable, versatile, and comfortable to use, this all-in-one set is a must-have for every workshop or garage. Number 9. Multi-Trowel 12-inch Adjustable Arc Curved Finishing Trowel. Its adjustable curved stainless steel blade adapts to different finishing tasks, making it ideal for plaster, drywall, and concrete. The rounded corners help prevent surface gouges while creating clean, professional results. Lightweight, durable, and easy to control, it's the perfect finishing tool for contractors and DIYers looking for faster, more consistent finishes every time. Number 8. DeWalt 20V Pipe Prep DC710B. Designed for professional plumbers and HVAC technicians, this cordless tool quickly cleans and prepares pipe surfaces for secure fittings and reliable connections. Powered by the DeWalt 20V Max battery platform, it delivers consistent performance without the hassle of cords. Its compact, ergonomic design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, helping you save time and achieve cleaner, more professional results on every installation. Number 7. Garden Trowel with Measurements. Its high-hardness, rust-proof steel blade is built for digging, planting, transplanting, and weeding with ease. The engraved depth markings help you plant bulbs and seedlings at the perfect depth every time, while the soft ergonomic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip that reduces hand fatigue. Durable, precise, and easy to use, it's an essential hand tool for every gardener. Number 6. 9-feet Adjustable Fruit Picker with Basket. This 9-foot adjustable fruit picker extends from 35 to 105 inches, making it easy to reach apples, mangoes, lemons, pears, avocados, peaches, and more. The built-in catching basket gently holds each fruit to help prevent bruising and damage during picking. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, it's the perfect tool for safer, faster harvesting in any backyard, orchard, or garden. Number 5. Monte K Swivel Bike Wall Mount 4-pack. This 4-pack vertical bike rack supports up to 66 pounds per mount and features a 150-degree swivel design that lets bikes fold neatly against the wall. The rim-safe hook protects your wheels, while the built-in tire stop keeps every bike secure. Compatible with tires up to 3.54 inches wide, it's the perfect garage storage solution for keeping bikes organized, protected, and out of the way. Number 4. Macari 10-piece Architectural Scale Ruler Set. The Macari 10-piece Architectural Scale Ruler Set includes 12-inch triangular aluminum rulers with accurate imperial scale markings for drafting, design, and technical drawing. Built from durable metal and available in 3 colors, these rulers are perfect for architects, engineers, students, and drafters. Lightweight, easy to read, and made for everyday use, this complete set helps you measure, sketch, and design with confidence and accuracy. Number 3. 5-in-1 Lawn and Garden Tool. The 5-in-1 Lawn and Garden Tool works as a bulb planter, weeder, sod plugger, annual planter, and soil tester, making yard work faster and easier. Its durable steel design creates clean, consistent holes with minimal effort, helping reduce bending and back strain. Perfect for planting flowers, removing weeds, repairing lawns, and checking soil conditions, this versatile tool is a must-have for every gardener looking to save time and effort. Number 2. DeWalt Impact Connect PX Crimp Ring Attachment, Dwoxer. This innovative attachment installs PX crimp rings quickly and consistently, helping speed up plumbing jobs while reducing manual effort. Designed to work with compatible DeWalt Impact drivers, it delivers reliable, repeatable crimps in a compact, easy-to-handle design. Perfect for plumbers, contractors, and remodelers looking to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently on every PX installation. Number 1. 3-ton Portable Gantry Crane. Lift heavy equipment with confidence using this 3-ton portable gantry crane. Built with a rugged steel I-beam frame, it handles up to 6,600 pounds and features an upgraded trolley for smooth load movement. The adjustable height from 8.53 to 12.47 feet makes it easy to handle a variety of lifting jobs in workshops, factories, and warehouses. Strong, stable, and portable, it's the ideal solution for safe, efficient heavy-duty material handling.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.